video, we're gonna see the list of the universities which are in English taught program. So we have been receiving a lot of messages for the students who wanted to know the basic English taught programs which are there for most of the universities for bachelor's and masters. I tried to build up 10 to 15 universities in this video along with the deadlines, but if you wanted to know more about the universities, you can contact us directly or you can search on dart.de. Apart from dart.de, make sure that you go on the website of the university every time, because the university keep enhancing their courses which is sometimes not available on the various platforms. So make sure that you keep visiting the list of the to know the course more on the website of the university, along with the deadlines, because they keep changing the deadlines also of the university, and the programs are also keep changing. And apart from this, if you need any assistance, you're most welcome to contact us for Germany, for Europe, for Spain, for Austria, for anywhere. We would be very happy to help you out for the admissions and everything. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.